absolute value inequality and inequality applications part 3, practice. Shanae works at VIP Incorporated. She has been promoted to head salesperson and her new contract states that her salary will be 300 Omani Rials per week. Her boss explains that she can keep 5% of the cost of everything that she sells. She wants to figure out how much she has to sell if she wants to make at least 1,600 Omani Rials per month. So a few things to pay attention here. First of all, this is not an absolute value inequality. This is an inequality. We're not talking about an average or a tolerance. We're not talking about a range. It's just an inequality. She wants to make at least, and this is our keyword, at least. Before we begin into any further depth of this problem, let's define the variable. So I'm defining my variable as S, and this is how much Shanae has to sell to make 1,600 Omani Rials per month. The reason why I'm writing this out this way is not to make a torturous math problem even more difficult. I am writing out exactly what it says at the end so that I know exactly what I'm solving for. It actually helps write out the situation. It helps you understand the situation when you actually know what you're looking for, right? How do you know what you're going to solve for if you don't even know what you're trying to solve for? Makes sense, right? Now, 300 Omani Rials per week, but we're looking at a month. So that means we're going to have to take 300 Omani Rials and we're going to have to multiply by 4 to get that salary per month. Okay, so this is the number we're going to use. We're not going to use the 300 Omani Rials anymore. Okay, so we have 1,200 Omani Rials, and then Shanae can keep 5% of what she sells. Well, I've defined S as what she wants to sell, and that has to be at least 1,600 Omani Rials. Now we can solve as usual. Ooh, bad. Sorry, can't find my whiteout. And now I have to look for my calculator. Although that is going to be 500ths. Which I believe will be Sorry, that took a while. I had a little computational error on my calculator. I multiplied instead of divided. All right, so we have that S is going to be greater than or equal to 8,000 Omani Rials. So that means that written out as it makes sense in the situation, Shanae has to sell 8,000 Omani Rials worth of merchandise to make 1,600 Omani Rials per